Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're at Carl's for the Hinachya Sa Kadagatan Festival 2024, kicking off with the exciting opening salvo. This festival celebrates the town's deep connection to the sea, showcasing the vibrant culture, traditions, and maritime heritage of Carl's, a place known for its rich marine resources and beautiful coastal landscapes. The opening salvo marks the beginning of the festivities with an explosion of colors, sounds, and excitement. The streets are filled with lively music, energetic dances, and colorful floats that depict the marine life and fishing traditions of the town. Performers in beautiful costumes inspired by the sea, complete with fish, coral, and wave motifs, dance through the streets, setting the festive mood and welcoming everyone to join in the celebration. The Hinachya Sa Kadagatan Festival is a tribute to the bounty of the sea, which has been the lifeblood of Carl's for generations. The opening salvo is a symbol of gratitude for the blessings of the ocean and the resilience of the fishing community. The dancers move in harmony, their steps reflecting the waves, while the music, with its rhythmic drum beats and joyful melodies, echoes the sounds of the sea, bringing the whole community together. The opening salvo also features a parade of beautifully decorated boats and floats, each telling a story about the sea and the lives of the fisherfolk. The creativity and dedication of the participants are evident in every detail, from the intricate designs to the vibrant colors, creating a spectacular sight that draws in both locals and visitors. The Hinachya Sa Kadagatan Festival is a time for the people of Carl's to come together and celebrate their culture, their livelihood, and the natural beauty of their coastal home. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more festival highlights across the Philippines. Until next time, keep celebrating culture and community spirit.
pagigina pasalamatan. Andigan ang bukana ng dagat. Kami ginagawa ng mananagat.